On to number 2 we go. So we just finished up with number 1 where we've got all those tiny little pictures. And although number 2 is a little bit repetitive, I really like this is going to give you a chance to get in there and really see the, the, the pattern without me just kind of giving it to you. So it says draw several solutions you found using the animation and write the corresponding number sentence in the table. So what I would like you to do with this one is we're going to focus on these last two right here, the 6 and 4 and then the 4 and 1s, so that we can kind of take a really deep look at them. But let's start with the 6 and 4 on this picture. So I've kind of attempted to draw you a grid. It's not the most beautiful work of art I've ever done, but so in this example, I just want you to use, I don't care if you use the shape tool or the drawing tool or whatever, but I just want you to shade these in. So this is going to represent one of those blocks of 4. And over here, I want you to write that in that color that it's representing a 4. And then the other one that we had was on the bottom, this block of 4. And then in a different color, it doesn't matter what color you choose, but in a different color, we're going to box in these long sides, which were 6s. So that would be a +6 in the purple color. And then also this 6 on this side. It does not have to be beautiful. And now it becomes really obvious to see that with the colors that we've got 2 here of this 4. And then we've also got 2 of that 6 color. Which again, like I said, is super repetitive, but I just think it'll help some of you to be able to draw it and see it this way. And then moving on to the other example, which was, let's show you one more time, this example where we've got side lengths of 4 and we've got like the 4 red corners. So we're going to draw that one down here on the bottom. So I'm going to start with the 4 sides first. So there's one of those, which is a green 4. I'll do one on the bottom. There's another 4. The set of 4 on the left in green. Another 4. And then the 4 on the right, also in green. And before I even move on, since we're simplifying these into multiplication, another way of saying 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, we could say that as 4 times 4. 4 times. And we're going to add to that our corners. So our corners were this red color. So this corner is just worth 1, so I'm going to add 1. This corner is worth another 1. That makes 2 of those. Need a little bit more room. Third corner makes for the third one, and the last corner makes for the fourth one. So another way of saying 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is saying plus 4 times 1. So far we haven't really looked at any patterns, we haven't really looked at any trends, but we have gotten a very in-depth view of all the different ways that we could kind of analyze this. And this is a very, very algebraic problem. And moving forward, I think I'm going to focus, like I was saying, on this bottom one right here, using 4 times 4 plus the 4 times 1. And we will figure out why more extensively in the next part.